Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the new tire, forgotten fish, sea eater, and new update in Fish It. In this newest Fish It update, the developers officially added a new fish tier above secret, and the rarity is insanely high, 1 in 25 million. And this brand new fish is the sea eater, and it can only be caught in this area underwater city. But before you get too excited, there's an important requirement. This forgotten fish, and because of its extremely high rarity, this fish can only be caught using the diamond rod, and players who don't have this rod won't be able to fish it at all. So if you still don't own the diamond rod, make sure you complete the main quest first to unlock and obtain it. And once you have the rod, just head to the underwater city and then just start fishing. And with enough patience and luck, you might be one of the few players who manages to catch this ultra rare sea eater. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.